Before replacing a sprinkler valve, we need to make sure to shut the water off. Before replacing a valve, we need to make sure there's no water in the valve. So I'm going to turn the water on manually to the valve. You can turn it on from here, from the cylinder, or there's a little nut right here. So there's no water running, so that means no water in the valve. The next step will be I'm going to mark where I'm going to cut the pipe. So I'm going to cut about here, about there. I'm going to cut right where the other line is. Okay, my next step will be glue 2 couplings. This is a 3/4 pipe, so I have 2 3/4 couplings. So I'm gonna install it one here, one here. So I got one coupling in. I'm gonna do the other coupling. We use primer first for the glue. So I got the 2 couplings in. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut 2 pieces of pipe about the same size. And I'm gonna glue this first to the valve. You gotta remember how the valve was installed. So this part is the main part of the valve. So I'm gonna install it the same way. Now I'm gonna use the 2 pieces of PVC and I'm gonna glue them to the valve. I'm going to glue it to the valve. I'm going to glue the other piece. Hopefully this time I can show it exactly how I did it. So I use primer first. Now that we have it like this, the 2 pieces, I'm gonna measure it. So I'm gonna cut about here. And I'm gonna cut this one. I'm gonna cut about there. This is like kind of half of the coupling, so I'm gonna cut it right here. I'm gonna cut it under the line just to make sure. So now they're even, got it exactly even. So now they should go at the same time. All I have to do now is just glue it. So we'll go like that. All right, so I'm ready to glue it. So now I'm ready to glue it. I'm gonna glue all 4 parts. I'm gonna put some glue to the couplings, and now I'm ready. So you got to make sure this part goes where the main water is coming. So this part has to go on this side right here. So here we go. So all we have to do now is just glue it in. All right, so you have to make sure you hold it down for a few seconds. Our next step will be connect the new valve. This is connected to the green wire, so I'm gonna disconnect that to the. So I'm gonna disconnect it and reconnect the new valve. So I'm gonna grab one of the wires from the valve and connect that to green ones. Alright, now I'm going to connect the other wire to the white wire, which is the common. Alright, so all I have to do now is just wait for like 30 minutes and turn the water back on to make sure it's not leaking. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you guys like the video, please give me a thumbs up and we'll see you at the next video.